How to fix Spotify app not loading playlists. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Spotify won't load your playlists on Android or iOS, it can be pretty frustrating. Here's a quick guide to fix and get your music playing again. First step is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Slow or intermittent connections often prevents playing from loading. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, and if you're on data, try switching over back to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, you can try to clear Spotify cache. For that, long press on your Spotify app, tap on the I button, then you can easily find the storage option at the bottom and tap on clear cache to clear all of its cache. You can also do this inside the Spotify app as well. Open Spotify, tap on the icon at the top left, then go to settings and privacy, and from here you can find your storage or data. Tap on data saving and offline, scroll down and tap on clear cache, tap on clear cache, and you should be good to go. Then you can also restart your device. Long press on the power button and then tap on the restart icon to restart your device. Then you can update Spotify to its latest version and your playlist now should be loading. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.